Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use enchant stone in Fish It Roblox. So guys, if you want to catch legendaries or secret faster and stop your line for snapping, you need to master the enchant stones, and here I'm going to show you how you can use enchant stones to max your road. So first you need to go to the Esoteric depths and just go down using the elevator, and in here you just need to walk to the altar. Don't forget to hold your enchant stone first, and then once you arrive in the altar you can just place it here and your enchantment will start. You can get the enchants that you want. If you want to repeat it, you can, and you have more enchant stone, you can just hold the enchant stone again and place it back to the altar, and the enchantment will restart. So that's all for me. That's how you can use the enchant stones in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.